How to fix B80B4696 error on HP printer. Step 1. Turn the printer on. Note, make sure the printer's power cord is directly connected to a wall outlet. Step 2. Leave the printer on and completely idle for at least 1 hour. Step 3. After 1 hour with the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Step 4. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Step 5. Wait at least 60 seconds. Step 6. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Step 7. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Step 8. Turn on the printer if it does not automatically turn on. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.